All right, welcome to independent class this Wednesday, September 16th. I'm going to just go through the agenda really quickly for you. So first of all, you have freckle. That will be due tonight at midnight, as usual. Self-explanatory. I don't really need to tell you much about doing the freckle. So the delta math, the purpose behind this assignment is if you can finish this, then that means you're pretty ready for the test. Okay, you have to get 10 in a row correct, and there is technically a time limit, but I set the time limit super high so that you don't have to stress out about that timer. I saw in your surveys many of you find that timer to be stressful. Don't worry about it. I have given you a time limit of an hour and 2/3 to get 10 right in a row. So that's so much time. So what you have to do is just select the right answer here, get 10 in a row just like we were doing with multiplication tables. So if this timer still stresses you out again, it'll be 6,000 seconds for you, I think. And what you can do is drape like an old t-shirt or a towel right over your computer and then just make it so it only blocks that part so that you can't see the timer, and then it's going to help you relax while you're doing the assignment. And the thing is, this assignment isn't going to be due until Sunday at midnight because I want you to be thinking about, okay, how can I master this skill? Because once you've mastered the skill, the assignment shouldn't take you more than like 10 minutes, maybe 15. But also, when you are doing the assignment, you have plenty of time to look at it and say, okay, -7 minus -3. You write a number line on your own sheet of paper, and let me see, the first thing was -7, I think, and let's go back here. Let me double check I got that right. Yeah, and now we're looking at minus -3, and that's actually going to bring us to the right to -4, and then I go and I find -4. Okay, I got that one right. Look, it only took me about 50 seconds. You have 6,000 seconds. You got plenty of time, even to draw a number line and stuff. Now, if you are still really struggling with the delta math and you're like, I just keep getting the same kind of problem wrong, what I want you to do is look at the other sheet, extra practice if you are struggling. Do these questions on a sheet of paper. See which ones you get right first. Do all of them first, and then the answers are here for you down here. That's why this isn't actually an assignment. This is extra practice to help you master the skill so you can finish delta math. And then look at the answers and see which ones you got right, which ones you got wrong. And when you see one you got wrong, let's say I got this wrong, look at what type of problem it is. Okay, it starts with a positive number, and then it has minus and negative. Now, what was I supposed to do there? Well, we know 5 plus 7 is 12, so I guess I need to act like this is adding positive 7. Whenever I see subtracting a negative, I need to act like I'm adding that number. So try to think through those things yourself. Solve those problems. Figure out what it is yourself that's keeping you from understanding. If you can figure out yourself what you don't understand, then you are so close to just teaching yourself already. And that's what I want you to try to do. I want all of you in my class to be self-teachers. And I'll help you if you're really struggling, but I also want you to do some self-teaching too. Okay?